Welcome to Grade 2 English, Singular and Plural Nouns. Let's start. Introduction. See the following picture and count the number of nouns shown in each picture. Concept. In first picture we saw one cat and in the second picture we saw 6 cats. Today we will learn a new concept of singular and plural nouns. Now, open the concept book on page number 93. Let us understand the definition of singular noun as given in the concept book. Singular noun. A noun that names only one person, place, animal or thing is called a singular noun. For example, an apple is kept in the basket. There is only one apple and one basket, so they are singular nouns. Singular noun. In the first picture, we saw only one cat. Therefore, cat is a singular noun. Let's see some more examples. Given below are some more examples of singular noun. A boy, a car, a beer, a pencil. Plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, place, animal or thing is called a plural noun. For example, there are boys on the bicycles. There is more than one boy and more than one bicycle. So boys and bicycles are plural nouns. Plural noun. In the second picture we saw 6 cats. Therefore cats is a plural noun. Let's see some more examples. There is more than one boy and more than one bicycle. So boys and bicycles are plural nouns. Given below are some more examples of plural nouns. Boys, cars, beers, pencils. Examples. Let's see some examples of changing singular noun to plural noun. Singular to plural. We change singular nouns to plural nouns by adding s. For example, apple, apples, ball, balls, cat, cats, balloon, balloons. Given below are some more examples where singular nouns become plural when we add s to them. Animal, animals. Tiger, tigers. Toy, toys. Aeroplane, aeroplanes. Snail, snails. Examples by adding es. We can also change a singular noun to plural by adding es in the end. We add es to singular noun ending with s, x, o, s, ch and sh. For example, glass, glasses, box, boxes, tomato, tomatoes. Let's now quickly check our understanding of the concept learned today. Refer to the following question of the workbook and show the responses on the placards. Add s or es and form plurals for the following singular nouns. One has been done for you. Bus, buses. Key, coach. Horse, fox. Dish. Let us now check our responses. Bus, buses. Coach, coaches. Fox, foxes. Key, keys. Horse, horses. Dish, dishes. Let us now attempt some questions related to the concept. Match the singular nouns to their plural forms. One has been done for you. Form plurals by adding es in the end. One has been done for you. Write the plural form of the following nouns. Snail, toy, animal, girl, flower, ball, pencil, carrot. Fill in the blanks with the correct nouns. There were dash in the corner. Have you seen my dash? There are dash in the basket. The dash are studying in the room. Let us check our responses from the given slide for question number 1. Let us check our responses from the given slide for question number 2. Let us check our responses from the given slide for question number 3. Let us check our responses from the given slide for question number 4. Let us now practice the concepts learned in this chapter by doing some activities that are very interesting and fun to do. Let's start. I teach. Teach your parents the concept of singular and plural nouns. Refer to page number 10 of the workbook. Attempt the question and ask your parents to complete the question as well. Help them with the concept, check their responses and give them score. I do. Your house has many things. Some are just one in number, singular, while others are two or more, plural. Write these down in the space provided. One has been done for you. Let us now solve some questions related to the concepts that we read in this chapter. Read the questions given in front of you and write the response for each question. Fill in the blanks with the singular and plural forms of the nouns given in brackets. Complete the same. We have now successfully completed the concept, but what are the skills that we developed during this session? We developed the skills of listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning.